My name is Syed Aslam. Today I want to share with you all about M38 design mix in accordance to ACI 211.1.91, which has been performed at ready mix concrete batching plant in foreign country. So this is my experience. I want to share you. I hope it will beneficial to all. So this is you see the system. You will have to see the concrete quantity, is it mixing or same or no. And also you can see in the batch sheet also, concrete batch sheet, the total concrete. So this is the value for 1 cubic meter, all the raw materials. But batching we have done for 2 cubic meter. Why? Because 1 cubic meter sometime there will be a variation of 5 kg, 2 kg, as per like this. So before doing all this, we have to get approval of the batching plant first. Secondly, we have to check calibration of the batching plant, equipment, all the things. Okay, this is the first part we have to perform. And before that, we have to take all raw material samples. We have to collect and tested this physical and chemical properties. After satisfy all the raw material tests, then we have to go for the trial mix. And this is before taking concrete for the project, we have to do the trial mix, just to confirm is it meeting to our requirement or no. So now this is the mix design which is approved by the designer as per the project specification. We have M38 cement and all these values is given by the designer. Cement 500 kg, sand we have 690 kg, aggregate 20 mm we have 625 kg, and aggregate 10 mm we have 425 kg, air content 2%, water 173 liter, and required slump. All this information you have. Okay, you can go through it. Now let us start the trial mix. Now first, once the ready mix truck reach to your location, then you have to wait for 2 minutes and let it mix it properly. And remember one thing, the first sample we should not take it for samples. Okay, why? Because it will not mix properly. So you see, we have to throw this sample, the 10% from the beginning and the 10% of the last concrete we should not take, we should not use it. Now you can see this, we are going to throw this one, because it will not be homogeneous mix. Sometime it will not, the gravel looks very, sometime gravel look more on the front side. So now we are taking the sample. This is the good practice. Now make sure this, while the concrete is dropping, it should come throughout the width of the chute, how it is coming now. In the same way it should come. Now then we have to take this concrete and we have to check the slump temperature. Now we have to check the temperature. Maximum temperature of concrete 32 degrees. It should not go beyond 32 degrees. Okay, and we have to see 32 degrees. And our as per our approved mix design, our temperature is 32. Already it was given on the table. And also according to as per ASTM and ACI also 32, it should not be more than 32. Now we are checking this temperature. I can zoom, you can also see this. We have reading 25, 24. So remember one thing, after putting, it should not be straight, this meter, we have to make little cross. Okay, and reading we have to wait for 2 seconds till the last reading come, like this 26.2. Then we have to take it. Okay, then start the cone filling in 3 layers, and we have to tamp each layer 25 times. After finishing, we have to strike off with the rod. This rod is 16 mm. Okay, and after that clean the surrounding concrete and lift the cone straight upwards in a, like this way. This exercise we have to done within a 10 seconds. Okay, and now measure the slump. This bottom of rod and the top of the concrete, that reading we have to note down. That is our slump. And okay, this is the temporary. After this is all, I hope you like all the video. Please like and share and comment, and kindly subscribe to my channel. If I can, due to the time constraint, I cannot cover all the things, but if you reply to me in a comment, I can reply to you. Okay, thank you.